Ki khynnah skul jong Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukerwat mentakasngi kalai terik uyayong arjar Pynshoh kela Pynshoh biej ikipaj ba nongwan peit kai hak jingplie perda ya kejingrakhi yo maumer jong kejingdap sanpos nam jong kejing syakri ya kadong katany langba kejingnang jingstat bat kumjuru kejingplie ya ka annual school sports arjar Pynshoh Hamadan joka Nativity Higher Secondary School. Hagani kesngi ukongsan ubalawan menpli perda pat penheru ikalama jongkani kijingrakhe udai uba ti langwa Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khas Hills District. Hak jingdon lang jong uba di sengkon District Sports Officer Southwest Khas Hills District kumusembut kongsan. Ia gani kesngi la pensiat pensngan da ki special item lagi kelas 1 but kelas 2 kebedai jong Saint Vianney's English section nang tak jing pen iya ka drill ber kijing shat na ki khynnah school jong ka higher secondary school LP school but Saint Vianney English section ki wedi ki bai don lang hakani kesngi kilong Reverend Father Alphonse Walang principal jong ka Nativity Higher Secondary School Umentrish nong Maukerwat uba RR Lengkoi, Uskatrish nong Maukerwat uba WL Snaitang, lembat kinong hikai ki khynnah school barim bat kikme kikpa. Yagni kejinglang la penyat da kamis Twin CMs imle kejingkren lengkot na uba kenpam V Karlengdo President joki past peoples bat kejingkren kublai na kamis Caroline Nyauta.
Flag bearer Shri Roshan Khalendo. In the 9th contingent is the Yellow House Girls. Commander Shrimati Latapam Lendo. Flag bearer Shrimati Aurelia Daisies Imle. Flag bearer Shrimati Eliza Lindo. Blue House Girls is saluting the chief guest. The motto of Blue House is, we never lose, either we win or we learn. Approaching the saluting base is the Greenhouse Boys. Commander Shri Nikarius Sosham. Flag bearer Shri Marvyangdor Kharjarin. Blue Star Marhan. In the first contingent we have the lower primary school girls. Commander Arjun Shisha Lindo Marshalo. Flag bearer Persha Khan. The lower primary school girls is saluting the chief guest. The Saint Vianney's English school boys is taking the salute from the chief guest. In the second contingent we have the Saint Vianney's English school girls. Commander Julia Grace Marvin. Flag bearer Lari Mayaka Lungkoi. The chief guests are saluting the Saint Vianney's English school girls. In the third contingent is the lower primary.
I am very happy to be here in your midst. I have known this school for very long time, and now it is my opportunity to be present here, and I've been meeting the principal off and on, and we have been very cordial. We have had very cordial relationship, and we cooperate with each other, and I'm very thankful to the management of the Nativity Higher Secondary School for making this program and for inviting me and for celebrating this 50 years of existence of the school. From the speeches that have been given before me, I understand that The school has produced many luminaries in the society who are living here in Makarwat, also those who have migrated outside the district, and they have shown their excellence in their own field of life. I'm very, very grateful to hear that the school has produced many productive, many meaningful, many good citizens from this school. It is all because of the hard work of the teachers, the dedication of the management, and ultimately the laborious efforts made by the students. In this occasion, I would like to encourage the school to move forward with colorful results and to be able to produce more and more meaningful citizens of the country, and also to shine in all walks of life as per the talents given to them by our Creator. We are very, very grateful to also to see the talents of the students from the songs. I'm very, very, I would congratulate the composer of the music, the lyrics of the songs presented by the students just now, a while ago, and the colorful presentation by the kids of the school, which is very, very impressive, comparable to other schools of other towns. Sibon, yapi, mikipa, kibedalah ni, kibaya kersan, ikikun, ikiki jengki, ban pen yo iaka jingstart, ikikun, ikiti namar ban day maki, kibedai kalawai, jong melang kasalang, joni agani kiri, bagi nampak agani day. So I will not speak much because I have another emergent meeting. I wish the school a very, very successful endeavor in their day-to-day functions and in their mission and their vision towards upliftment of the society at large. With these few words, once again, I congratulate the organizers of this program for making this program very colorful, and all the invitees who are here, and all the audience who are sitting in the gallery, the students, the teachers, especially the principal of the Nativity Higher Secondary School. With these few words, I once again thank you. God bless you. I declare that the celebration of the Golden Jubilee of the Nativity Higher Secondary School, Makarwat, is open.
Working together, cream of the crop, we're going for good. We're going for good. So whether you're losing or just about to win, the one thing you must do is don't give in. Whether it's sunny weather
us. Every nation all around us. Singing whenever young. Singing songs underneath the sun. Listen to us and we'll keep on forgetting. At the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you could afford. You've been searching in the dark, just like soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all those real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you alone. It's only this moment, don't care what can get you. Yeah, feel the dream, can't you see you getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flying open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blood devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you want to go? Where it's coming in on the colonize. Where the better ways are better tonight. Impossible come true. It's taking over you. We won't run down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true. It's taking over you. Get low when the whistle got. Quiero saberlo y callarme. Y no lo sé. Amén. Singilan.